Installation of WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD on AutoCAD 2019 on a client system. I have AutoCAD 19 installed already on my client system. So now I will go to the build of WiseImage for AutoCAD 19. I will run the build as administrator on the client system. Click yes, next, and I will accept the license agreement. You can read the whole license agreement here. Then next, and the username, and then I'll write my company name and the serial number. So I can paste the serial number. So this is my serial number to start the installations of WiseImage Pro 19. Click next, and now you have option to change the default installation path, which is C. So by default the product will take C drive to install, and I'm installing 64 versions of WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD. So if you are using 32-bit system, so you can choose 32-bit build of WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD. So now I just want to install now on C drive, and will press in next. So now I have two versions of Autodesk AutoCAD installed on my system, on this local system. Basically I have installed AutoCAD 2018 and then I installed AutoCAD 2019. So basically if you are not removing any one of this AutoCAD platform, WiseImage for AutoCAD will install on all the supporting versions of Autodesk. So I think you should turn off the entire features into the versions of Autodesk where you do not want to use WiseImage for AutoCAD 19. So in my case I will exclude AutoCAD 2018, and I want all the things should install on AutoCAD 2019 only. So now if I click on the profile, so AutoCAD 2019 profile will be shown on this list. So you can go to, before the installation start, you can go to Autodesk AutoCAD 2019 and create the user profile, and then come back and you can choose the profile on this dialog box and press OK. So in my case I will keep the unnamed profile and will install everything on AutoCAD 2019. Click next. So now the final click to install the product. So I'll click on install. So it will install the WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD. So I have the desktop icon now, WiseImage for AutoCAD, WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD, which is not registered yet. So I'll launch the registration wizard on the client system. So on this case, as I said, this is a client system, and I'm going to connect the server so to activate the license. So I will choose the third option, connect to license server, and I'll try to use the server IP address. So the IP address is 192.168.1 and 118. That's it. So I'll click next. It will give me a warning that the license will attach to this system, this client system. I'll press yes. So I'm done. So basically it should work now. It should, if I have available license in the server, so it should work fine. So make a double click on the icon. So in the beginning, Autodesk AutoCAD will start. Okay, so now WiseImage Pro 19 for AutoCAD should start into the AutoCAD. Yeah, as you can see. It will take a minute or two in the beginning. So WiseImage Pro for AutoCAD 19 has started successfully. So these are the menus, added menus on top of AutoCAD. So you can click and you can check all the menus of WiseImage. So you can work in the AutoCAD environment now using all the WiseImage features. You can also reach WiseImage functions using ribbon. So you can choose raster, selection, and the conversions. So these are all WiseImage ribbon you can use to access all the functions. If you want to see the license details, just click on help and press on about, so it should give you the license details. So on my case, I'm using a network license, and I have connected to this server, and my license will expire on 30 June of 2019. That's next year. So, and all other technical informations will be listed on the about dialog box of WiseImage.